Determination of odorant compounds in fish oils. Do you ever experience an undesirable fishy aftertaste when you consume a fish oil supplement? The fact is that whether you are ingesting fish oils in capsule form or liquid form, the oils are difficult to digest in your stomach and excess gas will be produced, which resulted in burping. But what actually causes a smelly fishy odor of fish oils? It was initially suspected that trimethylamine or TMA was the culprit for fishy odor in fish oils. TMA is an active ingredient that is formed from the decomposition of plants and animals. This is also the compound that gives the characteristic fishy odor in fish. Therefore, in order to prove this statement, analysis has been conducted by chemopower to identify the actual source of fishy odor. Fish oil samples were provided by a very well-reputed fish oil supplier in Singapore, and all of the analyses have been conducted by using static headspace coupled with gas chromatography mass spectrometry, which is an analyzing instrument capable to concentrate and analyze volatile organic compounds in a wide range of samples. However, following the analysis, TMA was not found in any fish oil samples, even in an expired and smelly fish oil. This implies that TMA is not responsible for the fishy odor in fish oils. So what exactly are the chemicals in fish oils that causes the odor? Chemopower has the ability to determine minor and trace compounds very easily. With this, larger amounts of compounds within one sample can be discovered, and this information will be able to contribute greatly in determining the smelly odor of fish oil. From our study, despite TMA that was not found, a total of 31 compounds have been discovered, with most of them having peak areas of less than 0.2% of the total area percentage within one sample data. Most of the compounds are small and volatile, and the composition has increased drastically in expired fish oil samples. The off-flavor compounds that we discovered can be divided into two groups: oxygenated compounds and hydrocarbons. Examples of oxygenated compounds from our findings are 1-pentene triol and 2-methylpentanol, which give off rancid smell. Hydrocarbons normally give off petroleum-like odor, such as isobutane, 2-pentene, and E2-dodecyl 4-ine. This phenomenon can be explained by oxidation process. Fish oils are mostly comprises of long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids, DHA and EPA. These fatty acids are found to be important to our health, such as improve cardiovascular health, lowers cholesterol level, and promote healthy brain function. However, these fatty acids tend to be oxidized over time and broken down into smaller molecular weight compounds, which will then contribute to the fishy odor or rancid smells in fish oils. Our findings have proved that fishy odor in fish oils comes from the decomposition of fatty acids in the oil, but not from TMA. It is also believed that some off-flavor smell will be produced even when you consume fresh fish oils, as the oil being digested in the acidic environment of stomach and broken down into smaller compounds as suggested in this study. Rancid fish oils are found harmful to our health, such as increasing risk of cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, it is strongly recommended that consumers always check the product labels and stop consuming the product when the oil is found rancid. All GCMS data have been analyzed by chemopower's technology, Smart Dalton and MoleculeDB to give a list of chemical compounds found in each sample within hours.